and welcome to Uranus Yoga and Wellbeing in Horsham. Today I would like to invite you to our next beginner's yoga course starting in April. And this course is for those of you who never practiced Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga or just practiced a little bit, those who want to deepen the practice to create more grounded foundations of yogic breathing, postural and meditative practices. So this course is comprised of 3 meetings on the Saturdays for 2 hours where we explore theory and practice, and 8 classes of about 1 hour 45 each during the 4 or 5 weeks of the course. You will learn Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, the sequences of this practice. You will learn breathing techniques helping you to feel more steady, calm on the one hand and more dynamic and vibrant on the other. And the most important, you will learn to do all these practices by yourself, so you can continue the practice at home, in your own time, at your own space, or you can always join the studio. So welcome to register. We only accept 10 students to this course, and we look forward to meeting you.